Hello guys, thanks for joining this session. In this session, we are going to look into component lifecycle overview. In React, the component goes through several stages in its lifecycle, and React provides several methods in each of the stages which we can override as per our requirement. So in this session, we will look into all the methods which is available within the class component. These methods are specific to the class component and that is not available within the functional component. So let's look into the phases of the component along with their methods. A React class component go through various phases, and the phases are mounting, updating, unmounting, error handling. The mounting lifecycle method is called when an instance of a component is being created and inserted into the DOM. The updating lifecycle method called when a component is being re-rendered as a result of change to either its props or a state. The unmounting lifecycle method get called when a component is being removed from the DOM. The error handling lifecycle method gets called when there is an error during rendering in a lifecycle method or in a constructor of any child component. So now let's look into the what are the methods which belongs to the mounting phase. Within the mounting phase, we have four methods which is being called. The first one is constructor. The second one is static get derived state from props. The third one is render method. And the fourth one is component did mount method. Now let's look into the updating phase methods. So during the updating phase, we have five methods, that is a static get derived state from prop, should component update, render method, get snapshot before update, and component did update methods. Now let's look into unmounting phase methods. During unmounting, we have only one method, that is called component will unmount. And at last, let's look into the error handling stage lifecycle methods. Error handling phase has two methods, that is a static get derived state from error and another one is the component did catch. It is really very important to understand all these methods and when these methods gets called while working with React. So on this note, I am stopping over here. In the next session, we will look into all the methods of the mounting phase. So see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye, take care.